Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your TikTok video quality before uploading. So if you want to upload a good quality video in TikTok, you want to see your video with higher quality, you need to use this trick. So first, you can just click on the plus icon and start choosing the video that you want to upload. So I'm going to find the video first. So for example, in here I'm going to upload this video. Now just click on next again, and in here before you click on post, what you need to do is now click on the more options here and scroll down, and here under the advanced settings you can see there is this allow high quality uploads. So by default this setting is off, so you need to turn this on to get a higher quality videos, but it may take longer to upload, so you can just patiently wait before it's successfully uploaded. But you need to make sure every single time you upload a video to TikTok, you need to turn this on to get a better quality. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.